Welcome aboard. Today, we're setting out from Skiathos on one of the island's most iconic day trips, the Mamma Mia cruise with Poseidon Cruises. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the real filming locations of Mamma Mia, or you simply want a full day of island hopping, turquoise water, and Greek sunshine, this cruise is the perfect way to do it. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the Mamma Mia experience. Stepping aboard the Poseidon Cruises vessel in Skiathos feels like the beginning of a small adventure, one that blends the charm of the Sporades Islands with the cinematic magic of Mamma Mia. The ship itself is comfortable and lively, with plenty of shaded seating, open decks for sunseekers, and a friendly crew who keep the atmosphere relaxed and fun throughout the day. The boat left at 10 and I was advised to board at 9:30 a.m. to get a good spot on deck. I recommend going earlier though, as there were plenty of people already on board by the time I got there. Booking is straightforward. You can reserve directly at the old port kiosks. Prices vary slightly depending on the season, 45 to 50 euros per person. The cruise typically includes Agios Ioannis Chapel, Skopelos, 1.5 hours, Skopelos Town, 2 hours, Lalaria Beach, Skiathos, 1.5 hours. Each stop has its own personality, and together they create a perfect blend of culture, scenery, and relaxation. Itineraries may change according to the weather and the schedule. The first stop is the best for Mamma Mia lovers. It took about 1 hour in good weather to reach Agios Ioannis, otherwise known as the Mamma Mia Church, from Skiathos town. Of course, the soundtrack is played as soon as you leave the harbour, and it was perfectly timed so that The Winner Takes It All was playing as we rounded the rocky cliff that is home to the Agios Ioannis Chapel.
I don't wanna talk.
The boat anchors at the beach next to the chapel. If you don't want to walk up to the chapel, you can relax on the beach itself, which is beautiful. The water is an incredible shade of blue. There's a small snack bar nearby too.
My cards, and it's what you done to. Nothing more to say. No more race to play.
lights are low, the crowd is near.
The next leg of the cruise brings you to the charming port of Skopelos town, a place that feels like it was designed for slow wandering. The waterfront is lined with tavernas, cafes, and pastel-coloured houses, while narrow alleys climb up the hillside in a maze of bougainvillea, stone steps, and hidden courtyards.
Caught between the dark and bright, I said I was lost, but now I fight. Every echo calls my name, every moment feels the same. Through the chaos, through the night.
2 hours here gives you options. Stroll the old town and explore its traditional architecture. Grab lunch at a seaside taverna. Fresh fish, Greek salads, and local specialties are everywhere. Visit small shops selling handmade ceramics, olive wood crafts, and local sweets. Climb to the top of town for views over the harbour and terracotta rooftops.
Every moment feels the same. Through the chaos, through the night, I'll find my way, I'll find my light. Lost in the crowd, but I can see a spark of life inside of me. A little wild, a little free, finding the rhythm, finding me, heat rising, moving through.
Skopelos town has a gentle, authentic feel, less touristy than many Greek islands, but full of life. It's the perfect midpoint of the cruise, a chance to slow down, enjoy a meal, and soak in the island's character.
Drums and fire guiding me through the haze. I start to see every beat, every line leads me to a place that's mine. The night won't hold me back. Every shadow fades to black. I'm alive, I feel the flame. Lost no more, I own my name. Lost in the crowd, but I can see a spark of life inside of me. A little wild, a little free, finding the rhythm, finding me, heat rising, moving through every heartbeat.
The final stop is the showstopper, Lalaria Beach, one of the most photographed places in the Sporades. Accessible only by boat, it's a dramatic sweep of white, perfectly rounded pebbles set against towering cliffs and impossibly clear turquoise water.
Know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your
As you approach, the famous natural stone arch, Tripia Petra, comes into view, framing the sea like a postcard. The water here is refreshing and crystal clear, ideal for swimming, snorkeling, or simply floating while taking in the scenery.
Love is exceptional. Ooh. It's out of control, out of control, it's out of control. But
As the ship turns back towards Skiathos and the sun begins to soften, the day feels like a blend of adventure, film nostalgia, and pure Greek island beauty. The Mamma Mia cruise isn't just a tour, it's a journey through some of the most striking landscapes in the Sporades, with just the right mix of culture, relaxation, and cinematic charm.